everybody, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
My name's Oliver.
Okay, so this video is a bit of a different video. The people at Fioboc, a clothing brand, reached out to us, didn't they?
Yeah.
And asked us if we want to try one of their clothing items. So they sent us it through the post. What we'll do, we'll get that in front of us now and have a quick look at the jumper, okay? Okay, so this is the jumper here. Matilda is going to open it now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the jumper out. It's super soft, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Super soft.
It feels waterproof as well.
It does feel a little bit waterproof. So just a couple of things about the jumper, about the clothing. As I say, it's a Fioboc. You can see Fioboc on the front of it there. So it's a sustainable clothing brand. And this is called Stain Go. So stain, go, stain, get rid of stains. So you can spill water on it, coffee, juice, all things like that. And it's supposed to just run off the surface, kind of waterproof. So it's developed using lotus leaf film technology. So I think it's like a lotus leaf pulp, and they make fibres out of it like that. So it's eco-friendly. It's using tencel fibre. So this is the material used. So what we're going to do, we're going to test it out. So what we're going to do, Matilda, outside?
We're going to throw some water balloons at Dada.
So we're going to throw these water balloons at me and see if the water runs off. And we've got the Stain Go elements, and so the stain doesn't stick to it. So what else are we going to squirt at it, Oliver?
Also, we're going to spray coffee at Daddy.
We're going to spray some coffee. So spray coffee. Yeah, we're going to make it obviously cold coffee, so you don't burn the skin.
No.
Yeah, so we'll do that outside. Water balloons, coffee. Throw them at me. We'll get some multiple camera angles on go, and let's go have some fun. Okay. Woo! Okay, so we're outside in the garden. Matilda and Oliver are going to throw balloons at me just over there. So we're going to get the cameras set up now. We're going to do multiple angles. One on my head. We'll do the tripod, and the kids will have all the one as well. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, we're back inside now where it's nice and dry. Matilda, you enjoy that?
Yep.
Had fun?
Yep.
Okay, Oliver, any thoughts?
We missed a few of the balloons, but we did hit him a few times.
He did miss a few times, didn't
Yeah.
you? And like it really stomach it like bouncing off, wasn't it?
And then at one point, it was on the net, and it was like...
It did get stuck to it, didn't it? Yeah. So the jumper's here. So to be fair, I don't think it's made for water balloon fights. So if it direct water balloon hits you and loads of water comes out, water does soak through it. It does go through it. But obviously, it's not designed to be soaked to be fully waterproof. When we're pouring the water and the coffee on, it does just pour off. It doesn't soak in. It just pours off, doesn't it, guys?
Yeah.
So I think for like a general jumper, if you like drinking and drink spills, it won't soak in, so it's good. But I wouldn't wear it for a waterproof a water fight, would you?
No.
No. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hopefully it was a useful video. I'll put a link in the description to the product and a discount code in there as well. So the link will give you a 10 or 20% discount, I think now. So we'll put that information in there. So Matilda, anything from you?
Please like and subscribe. Bye.